Are you guys ready for the lesson? Your focus should be on the video. Any distractions such as phones, laptops, consoles should be put away. I know some of you guys might be saying that you're studying and you're playing on your PS4 or PS5 and or your Xbox, and you're saying that you're watching a video and you tell your parents you're revising. I've seen students do that. And another one of you guys, put your device on do not disturb, because I see people just scrolling on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or any other social media while watching this video. And I would urge you to say that this is your loss at the end of the day. If you're not focused on this, there's no point of watching this video. And I would rather you save the video to your watch later and come back and watch it at another time when you're focused, because that is more beneficial. I don't want to waste your time. At the same time, you shouldn't waste your own time as well. So if you're doing something else, do not watch this video when you have the time, when you believe it's the right time, that you'll take on this advice and be very efficient with the way you're going to focus on this lesson and focus on the video. That is something that is very, very important.